What is going on, you guys? Alex here with Sportline, bringing you another Tesla video. Today we're working on this Tesla Model 3 and we're going to be introducing you to our carbon fiber Model 3 side view camera covers. These are a real carbon fiber piece that's going to enhance the look of your factory camera while also providing some protection from road debris. These aren't going to interfere with the camera's line of sight in any way, and there's no tools required for the installation. So let's go ahead and hop into this. All right, so all we're going to need as far as supplies are the camera covers themselves, the supplied 3M double-side tape, some 3M Adhesion Promoter, some car washing supplies, and some wax and grease remover. All right, so our first step here is just going to be to wash the camera cover and the fender here, kind of the surrounding area. Make sure to get all that clean and completely dry. And then after that, we're going to wipe the camera cover itself down with some wax and grease remover to remove any wax, dirt, or ceramic treatment. Our car we're working on today is already clean, so I'm just going to jump to wiping the camera cover down with some wax and grease remover. All right, so now we're going to want to test fit these camera covers before we actually install them. We want to get familiar with the process of laying the cover on and how it fits. So what we're going to do is start at the front edge here and lay that down, and then we're just going to kind of roll it down like this. And we want to make sure this edge is completely seated. You'll feel when it's on there, it will kind of grab and it shouldn't move around once it's in position. So become familiar with how this fits and the process of actually laying it down onto the camera like this, because these are designed for permanent attachment. Once these are attached, they're going to be very difficult to remove. All right, so now that we feel good about placing the camera cover on the car, we're going to want to familiarize ourselves with placing the tape actually into the camera cover. There's going to be a lip on this edge of the cover, and you want to make sure this tape is all the way in there. No edge of the tape should be protruding outside of this edge or outside of the bottom edge. So basically you don't want to be able to see any tape from the front of the camera cover. All right, once you're comfortable with the fit of that tape, we're going to take our Adhesion Promoter packet and wipe the inside of the camera cover. This is going to help that tape stick. All right, so now that we've got that, I'm just going to go ahead and peel this white backing off and get ready to go ahead and place this in the camera cover. I'm going to start with this rounded corner, place the tape in here first, and then I'm just going to lay the rest in. And we want to make sure we don't let this tape fold over and stick to itself. All right, so this is how it should look once it's all done. No tape protruding, completely behind the camera cover. Okay, now that we've got our tape installed, we're gonna test fit this one more time because that tape will add a little bit of thickness. We just wanna make sure we can still get that fit right. All right, once we feel good about our fitment, we're gonna take our Adhesion Promoter packet and go ahead and prep the camera cover surface. And we want to make sure not to get this Adhesion Promoter outside of where we're going to be sticking the camera cover. Just keep it to the top of this camera surface. Be careful not to get this onto your paint, but if you do, make sure to wipe it off quickly with some wax and grease remover. All right, at this point, we can go ahead and peel our red backing. All right, and again, we're going to start with this rounded front corner, and we're going to get that edge laid down first, and then we're just going to set the rest of the cover down onto it. All right, we're just going to press firmly, working our way down, make sure it is completely stuck on the top of the camera. And that is on there very good, not going anywhere, and it looks great. So now we're going to repeat this process on the other side and show you the finished product. And our last step here is just going to be to clean this one more time with our car wash supplies, our wash mitt and our soap and water, and just wipe this area down. And we're just going to clean off any fingerprints we left from working and maybe any residual wax and grease remover or adhesion promoter. And once that's done, you are finished with the install and can enjoy your much better looking side view cameras on your Tesla Model 3. So that is going to do it for our carbon fiber camera cover install. You can check these out for yourself at tsportline.com. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. We'd be happy to help. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and if you're not already, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified whenever we post new videos. We've got lots more Tesla content coming very soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.